In scorching summer days, how can you go without Litheli's FrozenPack, the world's first all-round portable backpack fridge?
Are you sure that's a fridge?
Yeah, that's the world's first all-round portable backpack fridge.
That's incredible. How does it work?
It places its compact battery pack outside the fridge, giving it the highest effective volume rate in this category. Plus, with the unique vertical design, you can put it here, here, and here. No more stopping to get ice cream from the trunk for your kids.
That would be so convenient.
Check this out. With its powerful compressor, FrozenPack can drop the temperature from 77 to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in 15 minutes, as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping the cool for up to 4 hours even when unplugged. Top-notch at cooling and keeping the cool.
Impressive. How long does the battery last then?
One battery can last over 6 hours. It supports battery replacement, plus it can be powered by your car's cigarette lighter port.
Okay, now that sounds really impressive.
Absolutely. And with exclusive accessories, it's the world's first fridge adaptable to two-wheel transport. So wherever your four wheels can't go, it can.
What if two wheels can't make it either?
Then, strap it on your back, ready to go wherever you want. So, tell me, are you in love with the Litheli FrozenPack? Oh, hold on. We have one more surprise. You can even use the battery to power all other Litheli U20 products. Whether it's an electric camping wagon, an outdoor air pump, or even your household power tools. Oh, and you can recharge a battery in a portable power station. This is Litheli FrozenPack, an all-round portable backpack fridge, along with its ecosystem buddies, bringing you incredible outdoor experiences.
Okay, I'm ready to hit the road.